Yo, what is up, guys? So welcome to this video. So earlier today I made a post on my community tab asking if you want some other methods other than the traditional search-based how-to, and I got some comments, so I thought I'd get this video out to you. And this method isn't going to be long form content, okay? It's going to be shorts. I've been testing this for the last 3 days and the results are pretty good. Okay, I can go into the channel I created here, and basically these are the real-time stats for this channel over the last 48 hours and the last 60 minutes. As you can see, quite a bit of views coming in here. 203,000 views in the last 48 hours and almost 10k views every hour, which is pretty decent. And these are YouTube shorts, and these are monetizable. So if I go to the, and I have blurred out the channel because you can just follow this strategy and do it yourself. But I started with a pre-monetized channel. Okay, I just converted a channel that I had into this channel, and so far on, so I started it on the first day. I got 11,600 views, then 118,000 views the next day, and then 129,000. Okay, and for monetization for shorts, it is about a 0.17 RPM. So on the first day I made $1.33, and on the second day $10.11. So as you can see, this is working out pretty good. The goal is to get this to like $100 per day. That'll be pretty decent, and I can showcase you this case study basically as I go through this every single week. And I think it'll be good because people are getting bored of the traditional search-based how-tos, and as you can see, this is working out great. The nice thing about this is you don't have to spend any money, you don't have to use your own voice, and you don't basically have to edit the videos. Well, just some basic editing. And you don't need to outsource these videos because they take like 20 minutes to make one video. Post 3 videos per day, and you working for 1 hour a day to potentially make 100, 200, $300 per day every single day on your channel. So this method is this method does work. For monetization, you're not going to get hit by the policies, and you are safe to go. Okay, so let's get into the method right now. So basically, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be finding viral clips, and you're going to be adding an AI voiceover to these viral clips, and it's basically a commentary and feel good videos that you're going to be uploading onto your YouTube channel. So to go over some examples of this, this is great because you don't have to do any sort of keyword research or anything like that. So this is perfect. Okay, so the types of videos I'm talking about, like if I go to this channel right here, let me just open up a fresh YouTube. Okay, so you're not going to be doing like gaming, you're not going to be doing like Minecraft or anything like that. If I go to my shorts, you can see this is an example of this. A lot of people do like say do not click the sound and stuff, but you can do that if you want. But these are the types of videos you're going to be creating, like feel good. So as you can see, it's a short, and it's basically viral. Okay, 5.6k likes, and I'll just play it. So as you can see, I'll break down what he's doing in this video. Basically, it got quite a few views. So he's got the original video. Like if you go to the description of the video, you'll be able to get the original for the editing process from here, TikTok. Okay, so just go to the description and get the original, and I'll show you how to edit something basic like this. You can either, so let me break down the video. You got the original TikTok video with a voiceover and some captions, and that's basically it. That makes it fair use policy, and you can monetize these videos, which is great. So that's all there is to it. You get the original video, you add either your commentary or an AI commentary from 11 Labs, and some captions if you have CapCut Pro. Now, I will mention that I did this, but I didn't do it with captions, and I'm still able to get hundreds and thousands of views. So I'm not too sure what captions are doing to boost the virality of these videos. but I will be testing no captions and captions. But you will need CapCut Pro in order to add the captions. So if you want to create a video like this, all you would basically have to do is create a script. You can download the script. I'll show you how to do that. Like if you copy the title of the short and you go to this website here called downsub, okay, downsub.com. There's quite a few ads on this website, but you can paste in the shorts link here, and then basically you'll get a text file here with the script. And then what you can do is you can change the script a bit. You can use ChatGPT to change the script a bit. You can use a prompt like this. Okay, like I did, rewrite the script with the same pace, tone, and style. Then you paste the script, and then ChatGPT will give you that script. And then what you can do is you can go into 11 Labs, and you can generate the script. And then you basically use CapCut to put the original video here, and then your AI voiceover script. Or if you want to record it yourself, you can do that. And then basically you just export this and upload it to your Shorts channel. Now, I'll give you some bonuses if you want to try this method out for yourself. It would be best if you use an aged account, so or an aged pre-monetized account. So if you have a pre-monetized account and it's quite old, that'll be your best bet. But if you're just starting out, try find a Google account that you've had for a few years and then start posting on that, because the older the account, the better from the beginning. And then expectations with this method, you can expect to hit monetization in the first 30 days if you do this 1 to 3 videos every single day. And we'll be doing more videos, much more videos. If you're interested in this, just comment down below if you're interested in this method and the case study of me following along with this journey to get like $3,000, $5,000 per month in AdSense. Because as you can see, it is monetized. I've made $12 so far in 3 days. And that's only going to go up. So if you want to follow along with this method, I gave you the basics in the video. First of all, subscribe to this channel, drop a like and comment, do part 2, and I'll go into even more details about this method. So I'll see you in the next video.